do so. You can't just put a voter score on somebody and push it out to the world and expect people to see a benefit from that, right? You need to really help end users understand how to use the data tools we provide them.
Absolutely. You have to close that loop. Well, I know I only have you for a couple more minutes, so just two last quick things I wanted to touch on. I think from looking at your LinkedIn, I saw that you were on Hillary for America in 2016. Were you doing data work for that campaign, or was it some other type of work?
I was on the data and analytics team. I was actually a project manager, so it was kind of a nebulous, but I think important role where I helped coordinate between the analytics department and a lot of the other departments on the campaign.
Are there any sort of specific projects you worked on that you, A, can't talk about, and B, think were particularly interesting or illustrative of what campaigns do with data?
There are no specific projects that I can talk about. Mm-hmm. I do think that the things that we've talked about today that sort of my takeaways in all of this, are born from my experiences working, sort of having one foot in political world and one foot in data world. And again, I'll just say it in hopefully a more articulate way this time. That translation component between data practitioners and the people who are making the decisions and implementing the data tools on the ground is a really important role. And that's part of what I did basically. But it's something that I think we could always improve on in our space. It used to be that data could be in its own department, and what we've come to realize in the last several years is that political campaigns really need to incorporate data at every level of the campaign and within every department. So it just underscores the point that data should be in service to the primary functions of the campaign and well integrated into those functions. And the more we do that, I think the more successful we'll be at using data and analytics on political campaigns.
Awesome. Well, yeah, that sort of ties everything up with a nice bow. So thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem. Thanks for the opportunity, and I'm looking forward to seeing what comes of it.
And that's a wrap on another episode of UC3P. Credits go to Alec MacMillen for producing, engineering, interviewing, and editing. Our assistant production managers are Arjun Mota, Olu Ogidan, Saumya Karun, and Suo Wu. Our communications director is Thomas Krasnation. Our finance director is Donovan Harvey. Our publisher is Haas Yano. Our intro music is Knockout 2 by Ditubi, and our outro music is Yes Yes Y'all by Matt Large. Our cover art was designed by Shirin Raban. If you want to hear more podcasts, check out our website, uc3p.org. And if you want to contact us, our email is the uc3p@gmail.com. My name is David Raban, and stay tuned. We'll be back next week with our yearly Valentine's Day special, Naked Love.
Yeah. Cool. Sounds like a plan. Yeah, I'd be happy to be a special guest.
Cool. I've written you down.
Great. I saw him do it.
On mine.
It's confirmed.
Yeah.
It happened.
I etched it into the table.
Please don't etch my name into this table.
Emma, February 21st.
That might be a problem. Also, I think it's lacquered, so you can't etch.
You can etch.
Maybe.
Avoid etching.
Yeah, it's a general rule.
Just
Just don't etch stuff.
Just don't etch. Not big on etching.
No, I'm not big on etching. No, not as a hobby.
What about as a necessity?
When is it a necessity? Like,
help me.
Yeah, I guess if you're. In what situation do you need help and you have time to etch? Help me.
Hey, UC3P listeners. I'm Thomas.
And I'm Nick.
In the United States, public faith in the military remains sky high, while trust in other government institutions sinks to an all-time low.
At the same time, fewer than 1% of Americans will ever serve in the armed forces, and the cultural divide between active duty troops and the civilian population continues to widen.
UC3P presents a new series, Thank You for Your Service, where we take a deep dive into the complex world of civil-military affairs.
We'll address the politicization of the military, defense policy in the news, and the importance of staying informed in a democracy.
Join us on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you get your podcasts as we explore how our professional military institution relates to the society it serves.